Hello. By the end of this seminar, you'll be able to define tissues, the names of the four types of tissues, and describe the anatomy and general function of each tissue type. What is a tissue? The way the body is organized is that it's made up of proteins, lipids, and organelles, which are the components of cells. Cells make up tissues, and tissues make up organs. Organs make up organ systems, and then organ systems make up the body or an entire organism. What are the tissue types? There are four categories of tissues. These include the nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, and connective tissue. In the following slides, we'll cover the general anatomy and physiology of each tissue type and provide a couple of examples of each tissue type. Nervous tissue is primarily found in the brain and spinal cord, but it's also found throughout the body, integrated with other organs and organ systems, and it's how the body communicates with itself and others. Nervous tissue is made up of neurons and neuroglial cells. There are several different types of each of the classes of cells. Neurons can be classified structurally as unipolar, pseudo-unipolar, bipolar, or multipolar, and they are what send electrical communication signals throughout the body. Neuroglial cells are support cells to neurons, and they include cells such as oligodendrocytes, Schwann cells, astrocytes, and many others. Epithelial tissue lines the outside of organs and the inside of the body cavities, and it's the primary tissue found in the skin. Epithelial cells can be classified based on shape: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and transitional epithelial cells. Epithelial tissue can also be classified based on the number of layers. Simple means a single layer of cells. Pseudo-stratified means that there is a single layer of cells, but it appears that there are multiple layers of cells. And then stratified means that there are two or more layers. The main functions of epithelial tissue include acting as a protective barrier and secretion and absorption of fluids and molecules. Muscle tissue is found throughout the body, not just attached to the bones. For example, smooth muscle tissue can be found in almost every organ system. The main function of muscle tissue is to contract, which can alter movement of bones, blood, urine, lymph, epithelial tissue, etc. Lastly, there are three types of muscle tissue: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle. Some differences among the muscle tissues include how skeletal muscle tissue is under voluntary control, while cardiac and smooth muscle are under involuntary control. Basically, all the other cell types that did not fall under the three types of tissue categories can be classified as connective tissue. The main function of connective tissue is to provide support, protection, structure, and transportation throughout the body. It also secretes fluid and proteins. Lastly, connective tissue can be found inside organs, in between organs, and lining body cavities. Thank you.